Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel on my holiday series. I hope you guys really liked the last video. It's one of my favorite things that I've made so far, even though it's a little early in the holiday season. I don't know if you can tell yet, but I love chocolate. I love chocolate so much, so I'm trying to incorporate a lot of chocolate recipes because I feel like you guys like that. One of my favorite desserts is cookies, so today we're gonna do a hot chocolate lava cookie. It's gonna be so delicious, so let's just get started. And here I have some chocolate chips and some butter, and we're just going to melt that really quick. And let's set that to the side. You can do this next part by hand, or you can use a stand mixer. So we're just going to add our eggs and some sugar, and we're going to whisk that for about 2 minutes. You really want it to be silky. The way to test that is just put your fingers in it, just go like this, and if you don't feel any sugar, that's perfect. Looks really good. Next, we're gonna add some vanilla and our yummy chocolatey butter mixture. Let's put that right in there. I just want to eat it. I won't do it. I actually might share these cookies today, who knows? And try to get every bit of chocolate because you want that gooey lava effect. So we want as much chocolate in here as possible. And let's give that another whisk until it's nice and glossy. Just a minute. Let's just check our chocolate. Look at that. That looks so delicious. I just want to eat it. Okay, let me stop playing with it. Okay, actually I can get just a little taste test here. I forgot I had egg.
So we're just gonna add our eggs.
I have to go to the hospital. I feel like I'm choking. I think I'm gonna go. I think I have to go to the hospital. And here, let's add our flour, our cocoa powder, and some salt and baking soda. And we want to just mix this until it's just combined. Don't overmix this. These are going to be one of the best cookies you've ever had. It's hard to compare. If you guys watch my brown butter chocolate chip cookie recipe, that's my absolute favorite dessert I've made probably on this channel, cookie wise. But this is going to be a close second. This is going to start to look almost like a brownie mix. Really pretty. Okay, let's move that to the side. Chocolate! You guys know I love a Ghirardelli semi-sweet, but you can use whatever chocolate you like. And we're gonna rough chop these pieces. And while we're doing that, it's just gonna make it look so gorgeous. It's gonna have the nice chunks. It's gonna have the molten lava effect. Guys, it's gonna be so good. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys have a favorite type of cookie. I can do my own spins on your favorite kind of recipes. I do kind of want to get into a cookie series eventually. Maybe I'll do like one season of just crazy delicious type of cookies. Somebody asked me in the comments if I like crumble cookies, but I feel like they're just too big and too sweet, and there's not a good balance to it. But these guys, you're gonna love them. It's pretty good. What a delicacy. Next, let's add all of our chocolate into the bowl. Every little crumb, guys, every little crumb. And gently fold in this chocolate here. This is gonna make about 12 cookies. You're gonna wanna put this in the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours, but preferably overnight. Use an ice cream scoop. That's just going to make it easy for you guys. We'll line them on a tray, and I'll be right back, and we are ready to bake. So this is what your cookies should look like after you take them out the freezer. You're going to want to cook these at 350 for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven and how big you made your cookies. Since I'm doing mine in my wood fire oven, I think I'm just going to test about maybe two cookies at a time. And guys, we're ready to start baking. Okay guys, the time has come. I'm trying to see which one I want to eat. Okay, let me just try this one right here. These look so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. I let mine cool for about 20 minutes. It's still warm. It's still doing that lava effect. You need to make these for the holidays. It's like the perfect holiday dessert. It's so warm. It's gooey, but it has that crunch, you know. You know how I like my textures of my cookie. I like a nice crisp, but it has to be gooey on the inside. And this is it right here. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you guys make these. I promise you they are so, so delicious. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Like this video if you want to see more of my videos. Please comment if you guys make this. I would love to know how it turned out or any other recipes you want me to do. And I will see you next time. Bye. What is it called? Ba, 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 ba. Let me do it again. No, my face was cheesing. Hold on. My face was cheesing. Okay, let me go melt it. Stop the video. So stop saying so. Stop saying so. Me. Ooh.